Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to connect your LG TV to Google Home in 2025. If you want to control your TV hands-free with your voice or automate your smart home setup, linking your LG TV to Google Home is a great move. Let me show you how easily it is. First, make sure your LG TV is a smart model that supports Google Assistant. Most LG TVs from recent years do, but it's good to check. Also, connect your TV and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. This is key for the device to communicate. Next, on your phone, open the Google Home app. Tap the plus icon to add a device. Then select Set up a device and choose Works with Google. This lets you link a third-party device or service. Link for LG ThinQ. In the list and select it, you will be prompted to log into your LG account to authorize Google Home access to your TV. If you don't have an LG account, you can create one quickly during the setup. After linking, Google Home will scan for your LG TV on the network and add it. Once connected, you can start using voice commands like "Hey Google, turn on the TV" or "Play Netflix on LG TV." Keep in mind that some older LG TV models might have limited compatibility and a few features might not work perfectly. But for the most part, this setup works smoothly and adds a lot of convenience. So, if you want to control your LG TV hands-free or integrate it to your smart home routines, linking with the Google Home is the way to go in 2025. And thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.